What is up, guys? I got another video for you guys today showing you some beginner tips and tricks. The topic of today's video is how to feel a bite on soft plastics and worms, whether on a bait caster or whether you're finesse fishing with a spinning rod. So let's get into it. So there's gonna be a couple types of bites. The most common type of bite is a thud or a thump. Now, what that looks like is you'll either see your line jump, that's why I use bright colored, high visibility line, and you'll feel it like someone flicked the end of your line. So that's actually how you're gonna practice this. So watch my line right here. You see how it shook? That was what that thud feels like. Now in practice, we will perform that same maneuver. I videoed it to show you guys how to do it, but also to show you how the line shakes when I flick it. Now let's talk about the other two types of bites. The second type of bite you'll feel is you feel like your lure got a lot lighter. That weight isn't there and it just feels off. And that's when you're going to want to set the hook. And now the third type of bite is it'll do the opposite. It'll feel heavier than normal. And that is when you also want to set the hook. Remember these indicators? Go out and practice them, use them, and go and catch some more fish. Thank you guys for watching. I'm going to play some videos of the full cast of catches of some good fish that I've caught lately. And again, thank you for watching. Oh, that is a big one. Oh my goodness. That's a big one. Look at how freaking... I was not expecting you. It was 18 and a quarter. Five inches across. That is a big, and it's probably a 4-pounder. That's freaking awesome.